Welcome back, class. This video is going to discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention and feel free to pause or rewind this video as needed so you can complete the assignment. So the first question to answer is, what is emphasis? And emphasis means visual weight or importance. Every painting or photograph or sculpture has some kind of visual weight. What attracts your attention the most? What is the most important? So in both of these images, it should be pretty clear which objects are emphasized, which objects have the most importance. And in the answer basically is this big blue bear is the largest, most important thing in the artwork, and so is this this, what do you call it, Starbucks cup, whatever that is, with the straw coming out. These are both actual sculptures. They're called installations, where they're temporary sculptures that you can put in or around buildings in our actual environment. And they each have their own message, one way or the other. But to emphasize something, you want to make it either large. You want to make it the largest item. You can the placement, placing it in the center as opposed to the bottom right corner. The color. So the color, size, placement, all those things can affect the emphasis. And this is something to think about as you're creating your art activism project. When you're trying to create this art and you're trying to show your message, your meaning, to show your social issue, you want to make sure that that social issue has a lot of emphasis, that that is the most important thing in your artwork, because it would be a shame to have your social issue get lost within all the other elements in your piece. So you want to make sure you're using emphasis somehow in your project. The other thing to consider, which is the second question in today's entrance ticket, is what is variety? And variety is differences in color, shape, and size. In these two artworks, you can see the variety of the color, which is what really pulls our attention in amongst the actual size of these paintings. You can see these are murals on the side of actual buildings, and this is on the side of a wall, or could be another building, I'm not sure. But the size alone shows emphasis, but it also shows variety in the colors. So be thinking about having different colors, different objects and shapes that are filling your paper, but make sure that they also don't take away from your main idea, your social issue that you are trying to bring awareness to. So both of these are great elements to add as you continue to build your final project. This is Oh, also, both of these paintings are by the artist David Walker. I forgot to mention that. He paints these, I forget around what city, but you can look him up if you want some more information. But anyways, I was saying, as you continue to finish your final projects, using emphasis and variety will be key to adding viewer engagement, making your project interesting, and making the social message clear. All right, that's it for this video. At the end of this video, please just complete your entrance ticket and put these two definitions in. Submit that for your 2 points for today. And spend the rest of the class just working on your final project. Since this is your final project, really try to get very strong craftsmanship, really fill that space, give me the best effort that you have to create hopefully the best artwork that you've created thus far. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your projects and seeing how they're coming together. And I will talk to you all soon. Bye.